Well, my throat was dry and it was getting a little late. I was at the bar on an interstate when a guy with his bird on his shoulder walked through the door, and he proceeded to tell me the wildest thing. He said, "Sir, this bird of mine can sing like no other bird you've ever heard before." Well, I kind of looked at the guy and said, "Oh, really?" He turned to the bird and said, "Do oh, really?" When the bird started singing, I almost fell to the floor.
Whiskey River, take my mind. Don't let her memory torture me. Whiskey River, don't run dry. My, how you all got to take care of me.
Well, if that ain't the darndest thing. Well, I thought, son, what a heck of a thing. A man could get rich making that bird sing, and I could feel like this was a wild idea coming on strong. And besides, I'm sitting here with 2 weeks' pay, and I'd probably blow it on beer anyway. And then he said, "Wait till you hear him sing like George Jones." He stopped loving her today. They placed a wreath upon his door. Soon they'll carry him away. He stopped loving her today. I said, "Well, that does it, sir. Yep, I'd like to buy that bird. Would $500 take him off your hands, huh?" Well, he thought for a while, and he said, "All right," and he handed the bird to me, and he said goodnight, and he counted my money, and then he ran the door. Well, I was thinking I'd found the rainbow's end, that the money would soon be pouring in, when suddenly the bird just flew out the door and was gone. Well, then it hit me when I got bowling mad, because I knew right then that I'd been had. As he flew off into the night, he was singing this song.
On the road again. I just can't wait to get on the road again.
Somebody stop that bird.
The life I love is making money with my friends, and I can't wait to get on the road again. On the road again.
My bird,
I just can't wait to get on the road again.
$500 bird.
Life I love is making money with my friends, and I can't wait
Somebody
to
give
get
me
on the
a
road
BB
again.
gun. I want that bird.
On the road again. I just can't wait to get on the road again.
This is for the birds. Buy somebody a drink.
Hey,
come back here, bird. Where's that bird at?
I can't wait to get on the road again. On the road again.
Where's that bird at?
Just can't wait to get on the road again. A life I love is making